We broke that thing. We did break it. There's smoke coming out of it. And they said there was a wire touching a wire, which is bad. And now we're checking that part. Oh, there's a bat in there. There is? Something flew around in there.
Hi.
Oh, hello.
Good morning, everybody. So we've been smelling. Am I on?
Yeah.
Okay. So we've been smelling. We've been smelling kind of a light burning smell. We're not totally sure what it is, and so we're exploring into it this morning because we kind of smelled it a little bit more last night. But it's something down here underneath in the important section where the water heater is and the electrical panel and all the important stuff is. So I'm trying to dig into it and take a look.
The important section that's really hard to get to.
Yeah.
Oh, that's fell. Look at my fingers. Oh, it's a board. Okay. That's okay. And here comes our helper, Mommy. Maybe. Maybe Mommy. Wow, look at all this. There's his Could have been over that. Crawling in one of these things, but no, it wasn't the rat. It was the thing down there. Ooh, oh, the hot water heater is leaking. Good morning. Say hi, you're on camera. Hi.
Well, you can stop. You don't need to.
Our hot water heater is melting.
Step one. Pull everything apart. Find the problem. Step two, identify the problem. Oh, found it. This guy. Melty wire. The hot water heater is, can you get down there? Hot water heater is marking right here. The wires have rubbed themselves together outside of this connection. Oh yeah, I forgot the important step one. Before you take everything apart, you disconnect the power and turn it off. But you're dealing with electrical and water. Have arrived at the Moab KOA. It is really pretty, check that out. I don't know if that snow was there a couple days ago or not though. Anybody? 1001. We're sitting here enjoying the warm fire at the KOA here in Moab, and the sun just set over there, and check this out. I looked over here a second ago and I went, oh my gosh, look at the moon coming up. Holy moly, that's beautiful. It's awesome. It looks huge, doesn't it? Look at that. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. Yeah, it's moving fast, and the sun went down quick because those mountains were like, that one there is still a little bit pink. And then over there a little bit pink, but that is gorgeous, you guys.
Whoa.
Wowza. Wowza. I mean, wow. Sorry. I'm just like awestruck by this. The colors, the moon coming up. It's unbelievable. It's beautiful. One of Miles' favorite spots. I don't know how you sit up there. What are you doing? Oh. That's pretty funny. Alright, we made it to Arches National Park. Here's the visitor center. And I think we're going up there. Wait, let me see. Who, Miles? Oh, I am? Yeah. That's really funny. Alright guys, let's roll. Get it? Roll. Rock, roll. Nice, nice. Look, there's still some snow on the ground. Crazy! This one's garden. What's it called? Landscape, sorry. Well, we're in the garden. See, I was the right idea.
Devil's garden.
Landscape, garden.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was on the right track. Not hard to tell, but that's it right there. There we go. That's a landscape arch.
Hola!
Yeah, because nobody gets in for a
Soy
picture.
Miles.
Just video everything. Alright, here's video evidence, so when this thing falls in the next few years, we can be like, hey, we were there before it fell.
And then no one will believe us, and we'll show them the pictures and they'll believe them.
Right.
1 0 0 1 0 1 1 0.
Whee! That's pretty good. Oh, why do we stink?
Mama's coming.
Yep, come on, all the way up here. Got a nice little spot up there. I love it. Great.
It's like a mini house. We have storage and here's our pillow.
Oh, nice. Pretty sweet.
You can go.
Macy, do it again. Come in the sun. I can't see you. What are you doing?
What is that? You can see the mountains right there. Hey, Auntie Lola and Grandma, you guys would like this.
Oh, I could just walk down. Oh, I could just walk down.
Yeah, you could. Don't worry, I got this one.
On video?
Yeah. Yeah, nice work, Mace. See if I can get the double arches in here. Oh, can't quite. That's the top one. All right, hit it. You sliding? Oh, we doing pictures? Hit it, Fergie. What you got there, buddy?
My own thing. But I have my own shades.
Yeah.
And I have my own pressure.
What else do you need? And you're sitting here in nature.
I need the arch in the background.
Oh, perfect. Yep. And look, there it is, right there.
Good view. That's what,
You got a good view. Perfect.
yeah. That's it. I'm gonna take a picture.
Uh-oh, just thought here. Oh, I was gonna say throw it at the camera. Not a big ice cube. Oh. Oh. Not in the face. Oh, good one. That was perfect. Look. Do it again. Chuck it, Mace.
Soggy hat.
Not me. Oh no, that's muddy and yucky. Alright, this is our ridge that we walked back right here. What's it called? Ben Rock? Yep.
Look at my pet koala.
Oh wow. What a nice pet koala.
She makes a good backpack, a good koala.
Ah, nice one. There's Pine Tree Arch. There we go. It's better. Having a hard time with the old focus situation. Right. Echo! Yeah, I know. I was trying to get deer here. That's pretty cool. We're over here snowball fighting and weren't even paying attention to the fact that it's deer. Look, it's like a runaway truck ramp for kids. Good luck with that. Oh, good running. Okay, this next hike is called the, anybody remember? Delicate Arch hike. And parking lot was back that way. And we started looking ahead and I don't know if I'd rather see where we're going or not rather see where we're going because that's where we're going. Up that hill where all them people are way up there.
Oh.
Wait, do it again. Because all I could see was like part of your forehead. Here, we got this. Here we go, all the way up this rock.
We can't do it.
We can do it, you guys. We got this.
This is our last hike.
For today, yeah. How are you doing, gang? This is the
worst part of the
second hike of the day. First one was like close to 5 miles.
What?
Now we're going up
Just saying
and up
you can run down this hill.
and up and up and up and up
Yes.
and up some more.
Get your
And we're almost there.
Get your backpack.
Oh yeah, I wish I could do that. Except you're like 4 times heavier than my bag.
Oh no. I'm good.
Matilda, I'm impressed. She's doing awesome. Yes, great work, girlie. We got some tired ones here, including myself. Oh my gosh, is it here yet? We're not there yet. Getting closer. Going all the way over there, it looks like. Whoa. Oh man, that is a little tricky. Okay, let's do this. spot there, Mace. There we are at the. Oh.
Dad, you want to go something?
Sure.
So we opened the text yesterday.
Yep.
And it's on the 7th.
Oh, that's impressive. That's all Matilda, isn't it?
Yeah.
The long shadow, boy. We'll stop to build some cairns. Karen. Leave it up to Miles to find the one puddle. Uh-oh. Is he gonna make it? Ah, he made it. That was pretty good. That's pretty good, Mace. That was really good. All right, everybody did awesome. We're like back at the top of this hill on our way down to the cars. This is a great hike, and man, are we tired.
And then
And we still got like a mile to go.
we did it great.
Good work.
1 0 0 1 0 1 1 0.
My great.
These greens are coming through, but the colors here are pretty amazing. Maybe, maybe not.
Hi everyone! Horse and rider surrounded by big horn sheep and dog-like animals.
They were made when?
80, 1650, and 18.
Wow, how cool is that?
It does look like hieroglyphics now. That rock was
Kind of does, you're right.
Hey, look, the horse and rider are further going up, and then the one is going over there.
It's really sweet. Right. There's the moon coming up. I don't think that's gonna focus. Almost back to the parking lot. Yay! I like that old photo. We're sitting there in the same place, same bench. You gotta at least look at the camera.
Hi, thanks for watching.
Miles really.
See him play Fortnite.